Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the reduced syllabus of Class 10 Karnataka 2020-21. The reduction has been 30% out of the complete syllabus. So here let's see part wise. The textbook contains two parts, part 1 and part 2, as you know already. So here let us discuss first chapter wise deletions. So a few chapters are completely deleted and few portions have been removed from some of the chapters. So that will be discussed in this video in detail. So let's start with the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will start first. Here we have got 8 chapters. So among the 8, one by one we'll discuss. So first one, arithmetic progressions, complete chapter is there. Second one is triangles. Here we have got first let me complete the complete chapter which is deleted. Okay, so triangle few portions have been deleted. Parallel equation also 1 or 2 topics have been deleted. Circles complete chapter is there. Here circle, this is completely deleted. So this chapter is not there for our 2020-21 syllabus. This is completely removed. Now construction is there completely, coordinate geometry is there completely, and real number is one more chapter which has been deleted completely from part 1. Okay, so now let us switch over to part 2 here. In part 2, polynomials, this chapter has been completely deleted, so it is not there. Then quadratic equations, here few portions have been deleted. Then introduction to trigonometry is there completely. Some applications of trigonometry as well is there completely. Statistics also is there, but in stat few parts, few portions have been deleted. Not portions, I'll tell you regarding it in afterwards, after completing the 15th chapter also. Now 14th chapter, probability is completely deleted from our syllabus for this year. The surface areas and volumes is completely there. Now how many chapters we have got here? 2, 3, 4. So now out of that means now we have got only 11 chapters for 2020-21 year as our syllabus. Now in part 1, as we have seen here, progressions is there completely, and in triangles, theorem 2.4, 2.5, 2.9 is deleted. So this is deleted. So this is not there in triangles. Theorem 2.4, 2.5, 2.9 have been deleted. So that means the problems based on this 2.4, 2.5, 2.9 you may come across in the exercise problems. Those problems can be left out without attempting to learn. Now next one, parallel equations in two variables. There you have got exercise 3.3 and 3.5 is deleted because you don't have your substitution method. 3.3 is based on substitution method and 3.5 is based on cross multiplication method. So now these two topics have been deleted. So here exercise 3.3 and exercise 3.5 problems are not at all there for the academic year 2020 and 21. So complete circles is there completely, construction have got completely, coordinate geometry have got completely. Now let's go to part 2, then quadratic equations. There in quadratic equations, completing the square method is deleted. You don't have completing the square method. I'll write it here. Completing the square method, that is not there. That complete square method is not. That means 4 problems you have got under this one. So that is not there for 2020-21 syllabus. Introduction to geometry, trigonometry is there completely. Some applications of trigonometry have got completely. In statistics, here you don't have assumed mean method and step deviation. Assumed mean and step deviation is not there. That means what we have got then? We have got completely direct method is there. That's all. Okay. So finding the mean by direct method is there only, that is there in statistics. We don't have assumed mean method and step deviation method. Probability is completely not there. surface area and volumes, complete chapter is there. So now the chapters which are there completely and which are the portions have been deleted, I have given here clear idea. And once again, I'll let you know what are the portions I have got exactly. Okay, these are the portions deleted, where you can see into marks, it shows these portions have been deleted. And now, which are the portions you have got for the final examination will be discussed in the next part to come. So once again, I'll repeat it here. Complete chapters, arithmetic progressions, circles, constructions, coordinate geometry. Completely it is there. And introduction to trigonometry, some application of trigonometry, and surface area volumes are completely is there. When it comes to triangles, theorem 2.4, 2.5, 2.9 deleted. So problems based on these theorems also can be, you can leave it while preparing for your final examination. And the third chapter, pair of linear equation, two variables, exercise 3.3, 3.5 is deleted. Because why it is deleted? Because we don't have substitution method and cross multiplication method. So now these two exercises based on substitution method and cross multiplication method. So those two you can leave. Then when it comes to the part 2 quadratic equations, there you have got completing the square method is not there. The remaining everything is there. So that means only 4 problems based on complete square method you can leave. Rest and all you have to prepare. Okay. So now when it comes to statistics, there finding the mean by assured mean and step deviation is not there. So only you are going to find the mean by direct method only. Okay. So now let's see what are the topics completely and partially is there for you. I'll give you clear idea regarding it. So here we can see complete syllabus for 2020-21 maths. Okay, maths syllabus completely. Okay, so along with that, there's few portions which have been deleted in few chapters also given here next to the chapter name. And here in the first column you can see it is chapter number. Chapter number I haven't given chapter that is continuously, because see here if you happen to see 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4th chapter, it should be 5th one, that is areas related to circles and areas related to circles, that is has been deleted. So, but I have given chapter 6 only as per the textbook chapter number. So, please notice that. Then after 4th chapter, it is construction 6th chapter, then 7 comes here. Then here chapter number 10, after that is after 7th chapter, 8th and 9th chapters have been deleted, you know that. So 10th chapter, 11th chapter, 12th chapter, 13th chapter, 14th one probability is not there. So please make a note of it. Then 15th chapter is there completely. Now let's see in detail. So in chapter number arithmetic progression, complete chapter is there for you. Then in triangles, these are the excluded part. That is the theorem 2.4, 2.5 and 2.9 have been excluded. And now in the third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.4 and 3.5 have been excluded because the topic substitution method and cross multiplication method has been deleted. So these are the two exercises based on those two topics. So this exercise is completely deleted. Then circles is there completely, construction is there, complete full chapter is there, coordinate geometry is there completely. Then in quadratic equations, completing the square method alone excluded. So remaining formula method is there and factorization method is there. Please have a look at it. And here complete square method is excluded. Then this complete chapters introduction to trigonometry are completely, and some application also completely you must learn. Then in statistics, finding the mean by assumed mean and step deviation method excluded. So we have got finding the mean by direct method only. You have to, it's there, finding the mean, median and mode will be there, and as well as less than and more than ogive also is there. So now finding the mean by assumed mean and step deviation method excluded. Then surface areas and volumes, complete chapters there as per the details in the textbook. Okay, so these are this page shows completely the chapters which are there for maths syllabus 2020-21 final examination. And here you can see the few parts where they have been taken out. Here I have given separately, so please have a note of it. And hope this video has helped you in preparing for a final examination. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.